If you need a new gas hose for your kitchen, choose from the line of gas hoses and connector kits from Regency. Regency offers both stationary and mobile gas hoses. The stationary hoses should be used for pieces of equipment that are on legs or are curb mounted, and you can identify these hoses by their black PVC coating. The mobile hoses should be used with caster mounted equipment, and they have a bright yellow PVC coating for easy identification. Both gas hoses feature a flame-resistant PVC coating that seals the hoses and helps keep grease and dirt from accumulating. All Regency hoses have an inner corrugated stainless steel tube, but the yellow mobile hoses also boast stainless steel braiding that prevents them from stretching or being damaged when equipment is moved. The end of each hose features a 360-degree rotational fitting that prevents the hose from twisting or kinking. The gas hoses range from 36 inches to 72 inches in length and are available in either ½ inch, ¾ inch, or 1 inch diameter. Regency also offers hose kits that have everything you need to install the gas hose, including 2 elbows and a full port valve. The mobile kits also come with a restraining device to prevent damage to your hose while you're moving equipment, and a quick disconnect which allows you to quickly and safely remove your equipment from the gas line altogether for cleaning and servicing. When selecting a mobile gas hose kit, consider choosing kits with swivel connectors which will pivot and rotate when the equipment is being moved. You can find Regency kits with either one swivel connector to use on just the equipment or 2 connectors to use on both ends. Kits that include 2 swivel connectors are especially great for equipment that is moved very frequently. Choose Regency gas hose kits when you need reliable parts to keep your gas equipment up and running safely and efficiently.